Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's incredibly important for driving safety but often gets ignored until it's too late, your windshield wipers. I just put this set of OEM quality wipers on my car and I had to share how impressed I am. The installation could not have been easier. They are designed for the common U or J hook wiper arms and they fit perfectly without any clumsy adapters. The whole process for both wipers took me less than 5 minutes, but the performance is what really matters. These wipers are practically silent. No more of that horrible chattering or skipping noise, even in heavy rain. And the wipe is completely streak-free. They have this dual spring steel sheet and an asymmetrical spoiler that provides uniform pressure across the entire blade. This means they make perfect contact with the windshield, leaving a crystal clear view with absolutely no gaps or missed spots, even at highway speeds. It's that feeling of safety and confidence, knowing you can actually see clearly, that makes these such a fantastic upgrade. So, my final thoughts? I am so impressed. If your current wipers are starting to show their age, I can't recommend this set enough. They're quiet, incredibly effective, and super easy to install.